Hi, I'm Heidi with WTI. I love drawing, and I wanted to find something that I could video my drawings. When I found this overhead mount, it was perfect for me because it has a light that can come off super easy. It has 3 different settings, and in each of those settings, you can make them go brighter or dimmer for whatever occasion you need. It has this clamp that you can put on any surface so that you can take your drawings on the go. It also has this nice phone holder so that you can video your pictures at any angle that you need. I also like that it extends so nicely and folds up nice too, so that it's easy for storage. I really like this overhead mount for all my drawings, and I think you would too, but that's my point of view.